guidance radar of Ukrainian S-300 air defense missile. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupyansk direction, the attacks launched by ground attack and dummy aviation, as well as the artillery of the Zapad Group of Forces, have resulted in the neutralisation of the enemy units near Timkovka in Kharkov region and Novosyolovskoye in Lugansk People's Republic. Up to 45 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 3 pickup trucks have been eliminated. In the Krasny Liman direction, the active action of the Tsentr Group of Forces and artillery operation have resulted in the neutralization of the enemy manpower and military equipment near Yampolovka in Donetsk People's Republic and Chervonaya Dibrova in Lugansk People's Republic. The enemy has lost over 160 personnel, 1 tank, 3 infantry fighting vehicles, 5 armored fighting vehicles, 3 motor vehicles and 1 fighting vehicle equipped with Grad-MLRS. In the Donetsk direction, the active action of the U Group of Forces and artillery operation have resulted in the elimination of up to 225 Ukrainian personnel, 5 infantry fighting vehicles, 9 armored fighting vehicles, 5 pickups, 4 motor vehicles, 1 Uragan-MLRS and 1 D-30 howitzer, 1 ordnance depot of the 55th Artillery Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine and 1 US-made AN-TPQ-37 counter-battery warfare radar have been destroyed near Dachnoye and Chasov Yar in Donetsk People's Republic. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, the artillery of the Vostok Group of Forces has neutralized the Ukrainian units near Uglida, Rechistovka and Novosyolovskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. Up to 65 personnel, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 2 pickups, as well as fighting vehicles equipped with Uragan and Grad-MLRS have been eliminated. In the Kherson direction, the artillery operation has resulted in the destruction of 3 armored fighting vehicles, 8 motor vehicles and 1 Akatsiya self-propelled howitzer. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized 86 Ukrainian artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 117 areas. 1 self-propelled launching ramp of the Ukrainian Buk-M1 air defense missile system has been destroyed near Troitskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. 1 guidance radar of Ukrainian S-300 air defense missile system has been destroyed near Andreevka in Donetsk People's Republic. 1 US-made AN-TPQ-37 counter-battery warfare radar has been destroyed near Gulay-Pole in Zaporozhye region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 Su-27 airplane of the Ukrainian Air Force near Trudo-Olenovka in Zaporozhye region. 1 Ukrainian Mi-8 helicopter has been shot down near Novopavlovka in Donetsk People's Republic. Air defense facilities have shot down 1 MiG-29 airplane of the Ukrainian Air Force near Krasnoarmeysk in Donetsk People's Republic. Moreover, 15 rocket-propelled projectiles launched by HIMARS and Uragan-MLRS have been intercepted, as well as 9 unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed near Berestovoye in Kharkov region, Karamzinovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Blagodatnoye, Novoandreevka, Kirillovka, Verkhnyetoretskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, Chubarovka, Magedovo in Zaporozhye region, and Lesnoye in Sumy region. In total, 396 airplanes, 217 helicopters, 3,345 unmanned aerial vehicles, 410 air defense missile systems, 8,192 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,054 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,284 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,771 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!